Chapter number Chapter number 18, Perimeter and Area. Today we will discuss circumference and area of a circle. I think you people all know what do you mean by the circle. Now in this we have to learn the formula for finding the circumference of a circle and area of a circle. First of all, the perimeter of a circle. The distance around the edge of a circle is called the circumference of the circle. The ratio of the circumference of the circle to its diameter is equal to a constant. This constant is called pi and it is represented by this symbol and it is denoted by capital C. Now first of all, perimeter. Perimeter means the total length or total distance of the boundary of a circle. This is the perimeter, or you can say it is called the circumference of a circle, the boundary of the circle. And we all know that in a circle there is a center. From the center to the edge of the circle, this is called radius. And if a line it passes through the center and these two points meet at the boundary of a circle, then this whole is known as the diameter. Diameter is 2 times of its radius. Radius is start from the center of a circle to the boundary of the circle, but diameter passes through the center, but their 2 points lie on the edge of the circle. And the distance around the edge of a circle is called the circumference of a circle. This is called the circumference or perimeter. And this you have to remember that the ratio of circumference upon diameter, it is equal to constant. Circumference, that means boundary of a circle, upon diameter is equal to constant. Circumference को diameter से divide करेंगे, हमेशा आपको एक कोई fixed value मिलेगी. That constant value is known as pi and this is the symbol used for the pi. It means circumference represented with capital C and diameter with the small d, and we will shift this diameter here, so it will come into multiply. It means circumference equal to pi into diameter, and we all know that diameter is equal to 2 into r, 2 into radius. So in place of d we can write 2r. So circumference means pi into 2r. That means circumference of a formula for finding the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, and the value of pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. The value of the pi you have to learn. Pi is the constant value, और ये constant value आई कहाँ से है? Circumference को diameter से divide करके we are getting the constant value. This constant value is represented by pi, and I have represented circumference with a capital C, diameter with a small d, and d I have shifted here. So C will be equal to pi into d. Diameter equal to 2r. Now we will replace diameter into रेडियस, मतलब डायमीटर की जगह आप रेडियस के फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं. एक फार्मूला आपका जब डायमीटर गिवन है देन यू कैन यूज़ दिस फार्मूला. इफ़ इन द क्वेश्चन रेडियस इज गिवन देन यू कैन यूज़ दिस फार्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग द circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Pi is a constant and the value of pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.14 in approx. Now the area of a circle, ये जो पूरा सर्कल के अंदर वाला जो region enclosed है, this is called the area of a circle. The measure of the region enclosed inside the circle, इस सर्कल के अंदर जो भी region आपको दिख रहा है, that is called its area, and area is represented with capital A, and the formula for finding the area of a circle is pi r square. We know the value of pi, it is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. This is the value of pi. Now next formula, you have to learn the formula for finding the circumference of a circle, that is pi into d or 2 pi r, and area of a circle is pi r square. Now next area of a ring. रिंग की जब भी बात करेंगे तो आपके दो सर्कल आपको दिख रहे हैं, दोनों सर्कल का सेंटर सेम है, एक छोटा सर्कल है एक बड़ा सर्कल है. दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ अ रिंग. छोटा सर्कल है फिर बड़ा सर्कल है, बोथ सर्कल्स आर हैविंग द सेम सेंटर. इट मीन्स दीज 2 सर्कल्स आर कॉल्ड द कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स, ऐसे सर्कल्स जिनका सेंटर सेम होता है, रेडियस उनकी वेरी करती हैं, वो आपस में कैसे होते हैं? दे आर कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स, दे आर कॉल्ड एज कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल. For the circle C1 radius is small r, for the circle C2 the radius is capital R. You have to find out the area of this region, this shaded region. This is called the area of the ring, or you can say area of the concentric circles. And two circles are there, two concentric circles are there, so there will be two radii. One is small r, one is capital I. Radius का plural होता है radii. Radius is a singular and radii is plural. The region enclosed between two concentric circles of different radii is called the area of the ring. First of all, they have told you the definition of concentric circles. Circles having the same center but different radii are called concentric circles. And the region enclosed between two concentric circles of different radii, ऐसे मतलब ऐसा रीजन दो कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल के बीच में हो और दोनों की रेडियस क्या है, वो डिफरेंट हो. दिस कॉल्ड द एरिया ऑफ द रिंग. नाउ एरिया ऑफ द रिंग, आपको क्या करना है? बड़े सर्कल के एरिया में से छोटे सर्कल के एरिया को माइनस कर देना. इट मीन्स पाई कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर इज द एरिया ऑफ द बिग सर्कल एंड पाई स्मॉल आर इज द एरिया ऑफ द स्मॉल सर्कल. यू विल सबट्रैक्ट द एरिया ऑफ द बिग सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ द स्मॉल सर्कल. देन यू विल टेक पाई एज कॉमन in both terms. There is pi common, then in bracket what you will get? R square, capital R square minus small r square. This is the area of the concentric circle, that means area of the ring, where capital R is the external radius, small r is the internal radius, and thickness, if you have to find out the thickness of this ring, this is called the thickness of the ring. Then what you will do? You will subtract small r from the capital R. Now the explanation of this topic is completed. After this we will do the question related to this exercise. Thank you class. Now one more formula is there, that is of area of a parallelogram. We all know that parallelogram is a four-sided closed figure in which opposite sides are equal to each other, and this is a type of quadrilateral. This is a parallelogram A B C D. Here opposite sides are equal in this, and this is the perpendicular height they have drawn outside the parallelogram. अंदर ये altitude बन सकता है, बाहर भी बन सकता है, and this is the base corresponding to this altitude. So formula for finding the area of a parallelogram is, if base and altitude is given, base is B and the altitude is H, altitude also known as height, perpendicular, it is perpendicular to the base. This CE line is perpendicular to the base BE. So the formula for finding the area of parallelogram is base into height. For area of a right angle triangle was half base into height. So area of parallelogram में हाफ नहीं लगता, बस बेस इंटू हाइट होना चाहिए. आपको क्वेश्चन में हाइट गिवन होनी चाहिए. स्क्वायर यूनिट, एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम, इसकी यूनिट हमेशा स्क्वायर में रहेगी, बिकॉज वी आर फाइंडिंग द एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. कहीं भी एरिया है तो उसकी यूनिट स्क्वायर यूनिट होती है. ना लुक है, ना दे हैव एक डायगनल इन्होंने बना दिया, AC डायगनल को इन्होंने ज्वाइन कर दिया, तो दो कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल में आपका ये पैरेललोग्राम डिवाइड हो चुका है. तो इसका अगर फॉर्मूला देखा जाए, 2 इंटू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC, 2 इंटू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC, इट मीन्स हाफ बेस इंटू हाइट. हाफ और 2 ये कैंसिल आउट हो गया, तो बचा से बेस इंटू हाइट, दैट मीन्स B इंटू H. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ फाइंडिंग द एरिया. नाउ द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस टॉपिक